In this video, we're going to talk about how to invest in NFTs. As we find out, many investors don't know much about investing in it. Like Forex trading, investing in NFTs requires you to buy an NFT asset and sell it to another collector at a higher price. The biggest challenge here is that NFTs have no assigned value. Experienced Forex traders can sometimes predict the price changes of a currency and trade on it. But with NFTs, this is next to impossible. The price of an NFT is only estimated by its perceived value. Much more like a collector's item. For example, you could buy an NFT of a painting. After several years, if the original painter dies, the image becomes a rare collection, hence, its value increases exponentially. But as you can see, such predictions are impossible. Another way to invest in NFTs is through proceeds. This is where you receive proceeds when someone uses your NFT for their purposes. For example, if you owned an NFT to a video, you could get profits whenever it is played on air or through other media. You could also charge a fee for duplication, or if you are the original creator of the NFT, you could get some proceeds every time the NFT is bought or sold. Most people, however, buy NFTs as a collection rather than an investment. Buying NFTs through blockchain technology is one of the safest approaches to promoting your portfolio. It can also increase the value of your NFT over time by reducing the availability of the cryptocurrency. Some marketplaces provide their cryptocurrency tokens. When these tokens increase in value, so will the value of the NFT. This means that you can make profits without having to sell your NFTs. The tokens are designed for rewards and governance. Furthermore, there is the option to invest in NFT stocks, which entails buying stocks with NFT exposure. You can also invest in companies dealing with NFTs and make profits from their sales. How do I know if NFT is worth buying? You don't. There is no proven method of estimating the true worth of an NFT. It's simply a leap of faith. It is based on instincts and the public perception of the NFT's value. For example, an NFT from a celebrity has a higher perceived value than one from an unknown person. An NFT of a viral or famous asset, such as a tweet from Elon Musk or a popular meme, will also have a higher perceived value. All these decisions are based on assumptions. The best way to buy an NFT is by seeing its value yourself. Because that way you can advertise it and explain the reason behind buying it. You can also keep up with emerging trends and news to determine NFTs that are most likely to increase in value. There are numerous cases where people have made millions from NFTs, therefore, do not be discouraged. However, do not just buy any NFT simply because it has been digitized. Do intensive research on the asset and its previous owners to have some knowledge on which to base your decision. How to create an NFT artwork. NFTs are not created. They are minted. Minting is the act of changing a digital file into a blockchain-based NFT. This process is not free and is done with the help of marketplaces. Another mandatory requirement is a crypto wallet. The most common crypto used here is the Ethereum, so you should create a crypto wallet that's compatible with the Ethereum network. The next move is to choose the right marketplace. Most marketplaces offer an easy step-by-step procedure for minting your digital art. You can select your preferred marketplace based on what you are minting. You can also make your decision based on the fees they charge for this process. Take your time here, as this will affect the possibility of getting a buyer for your NFT. Once you have selected your marketplace, you will be required to pay a one-time activation fee for your account. This varies from one marketplace to the other. The next step would be to connect your crypto wallet to the market. The wallet must have cryptos in it, preferably in the form of Ethereum. Once connected, you will be required to create a profile, which must be verified through email or any other form. Upon completion of this, you can now click on the Create button, which will direct you to how to upload your digital art. You will then set its fixed price or auction option, after which you will proceed to list it in the marketplace. You have just minted your first NFT. Is NFT a cryptocurrency? No. NFTs are not cryptocurrencies. This is clear from the term non-fungible. An NFT cannot be traded for another. They, however, use the same blockchain technology for verification and can be bought with cryptos. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency, while NFTs are digital assets. Each NFT defines a unique asset with its characteristics and value, but one Bitcoin is entirely the same and interchangeable with any other Bitcoin in the world. Think of it this way. A Subaru and a Mercedes are both cars. But you cannot exchange the Subaru and expect a Mercedes in return. This is the same case with NFTs. You can, however, sell the Mercedes for a certain amount of money and use some of the money to buy the Subaru. The equivalent of this would be trading one NFT and getting cryptos in return, then using those cryptos to purchase a different NFT. In conclusion, you can exchange NFTs for cryptos and vice versa, but you cannot use NFTs as a cryptocurrency. One key advantage of owning an NFT, or converting your digital art into NFTs, is that the blockchain technology used to signify ownership digitally can make an investor's ownership of an asset more secure and transparent. It is considered safer than physical security. We have seen that there is a lot of potential in the NFT market. However, investors need to be careful when investing in these assets, as the market is still relatively new and unregulated. Have you invested in any NFTs? Let us know what you think about this asset class in the comments below.